ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n bínú tán o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ti ya wọ Aso Rock o, wọ́n ti blọ́ọ̀kù ọ̀nà Aso Rock o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ti ṣiṣẹ́ fẹ̀yìntì tí ìjọba ò san owó fún wọn, wọ́n yarí o. Àwọn lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn o, wọ́n ní àwọn ń ṣiṣẹ́ o, wọ́n ní àwọn work tired o nígbà táwọn wà ní ẹnu iṣẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọlọ́pàá táwọn ń sin ìjọba, wípé àsìkò tó yẹ káwọn wá fẹ̀yìntì káwọn máa rí nǹkan máa fi sẹ́nu, wọ́n ní ìjọba kọ̀, wọn ò sanwó fún wọn o. Àwọn lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn, wọ́n ti ya wọ Aso Rock. Jẹ́ ká fi ohùn sí kẹ́ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn o, bí wọ́n ṣe jáde tí wọ́n ń ṣèfẹ̀hónúhàn níwájú Aso Rock l'Abuja.
What do you want to? Anywhere. You can go outside. Already dead. Mr. President, sign our peace. We are going nowhere. Suffering is too much. Our children can no longer go to school. We have suffered enough. After serving your 35 good years with meritorious service to our nation, they are giving you only 1 million naira and place you on a Muslim pension of 30,000 naira. Mr. President, come to our aid. Come to our aid. Our pension is 35,000. We are not living. Prisoner. We are not living. Via the right. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Our leader. We are not going anywhere. We are remaining here. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Remain here. Remain here. You can't go anywhere. Anything you want to do, yes, sir. Oh God, nobody should move you from here. Mr. Raf, don't move an inch. Nobody will go. And this gate, we are blocking it. All of it. I can't say we are blocking it. We are not the one that blocked it. Gonna organize rubbish. We are doing the same service. We are doing suffering. No, go in our office. We are the ones suffering. We are inside AC. Everything says SO go, DCO go, DPO, what are you doing? When I go tell IT. Ba duniyan nan ba in ka bi ka banja Allah ka lana mutuwa da ne Allah ne gurgun doki ba a wasa da kowa gurgun doki ba a wasa da an kashe ba magana kudin makaranta ne a ba magana kudin an kashe mu a yau kuna manya kuna kallo Allah zai komai mana bindiga ba ma tsoron kowa wallahi Allah ne kashe mu Allah muke tsoro biya halitta shekara 35 ma mana zana biyan ka naira 35,000 ya'yan mu suna nan kuma mana ba makarantu Okay. Then at the end of your service, you become a slave.
Baba, you are live. Nigerians want to hear from you. You are live. You are live.
Yes.
Your name, please.
Yes. My name is retired DSP Ilyasu Aliu.
Okay, so tell us why you are here.
We are here We are here to tell Mr. President that our bill is with him. Let him go ahead and assent our bill and establish our police pension board. That is the reason why we are here. Yes.
So if now that has not been signed and the police has said you guys should leave this place, what will happen?
We are not going to leave. No any amount of threat that will make us to leave this place. And there is no any operation that we have not gone into. As you can see, all of us, we are all professionals in different departments. We have bomb disposal unit, we have marine, we have etc., etc. And I want to tell you that we are well trained. The training that we have, none of these people have it, and they will not have it. Instead of Nigerian police to even accommodate us, to give the people who are still stabbing the remaining talent that we have so that they can be able to execute their work effectively, they fail to do so. Now I have talent. I'm an instructor before I retire. Will you go to my house now and remove what is in my brain to share with the serving member? The answer is no, because the treatment they give to me after 35 years will not make me happy to share the experience I have for those that are in service.
Some of your fellow retirees are saying if they did not assent to this, that they are going to help Boko Haram and join to be working for them.
In fact, anybody that said that is his opinion. But we determine in our mind, and we have a hope that the head of state is going to assent this bill. As we come here, I believe whatever they are telling him, the people who are close to him, they are telling him a wrong thing. But our presence here will make him to know definitely that we are suffering after serving 35 years.
So, but you guys met the IGP and he promised to press home your demands to the president.
We have not seen anything.
We never met with him. We never met with him.
No, you guys met. He met with you guys, the Inspector General of Police, where he promised that he was going to do something about it, and you should allow him.
Okay. For how long?
But it's just about a week ago. Why not wait for him?
This is 2 weeks now. Did you ask me how did I manage to feed and come to this protest? And if I tell you where I squat for complete 1 month when I'm at Abuja here, if you sleep in that place a day, the next day they will take you to a specialty hospital. Yes, there is no doubt about that. So we are here. Let them go. Those who are in the right way to communicate head of state, they should go ahead and communicate him so that he has sent our bill. Our bill is before him. Let him assent. If he assent, we'll go. We jubilate, we hail him, we'll go. That is that.
Your name once again?
Retired DSP, Ilyasu Aliyu.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, let me see some Abi.
Yes.
Yeah. My name is Bola Oluwaji.
Okay, sir.
A retired chief superintendent of police. You see, this continuous keeping us under PENCOM is terribly bad. It is irrational, it is unjust, and it is uncalled for. The reason is, how can somebody serve for 35 years? It's senior, a very senior officer, and you are giving me 3.5 million CSP. I just have a rank to climb to the state of commissioner of police. You understand? Then how do I cater for my family? It's unjust. So we are begging. We are begging the president to sign our bill so that we can get out under this audacious PENCOM pension. The PENCOM pension is a fraud. This PENCOM pension actually came on board in 2015 under former President. They borrow the system from Chile, thinking that it will improve the standard of the car police officer. But indeed, it is getting us impoverished every day. Probably the people that are managing it does not know what they are doing. You understand? If it is good, why did the army hesitate? Why did the NIA hesitate? Why did the National Assembly hesitate? What have we done? We did not deserve it, actually. The internal security of the nation belongs to the police. And that was what we actually did. I joined the police at a very tender age. And I served my fatherland with all honesty and ability. But this is what they are paying me with. I can no longer feed. I can no longer cater for my household. It is irrational. It is unjust. It is a perpetual act of, keeping us under 2-3 years and make sure that we die. But God forbid. God will elevate us. This bill has been passed for about 3 months ago now. They were hiding it. It never got to the office of the president. I knew the president is a father. The president is a technocrat. He has traveled wide, so he knows what is better for his security. Only if they will allow the bill to get to him.
Your name once again.
My name is Bola Wole Boluwaji, a retired superintendent of police. Thank you.
Okay. All right, sir. Your name, sir.
ASP if I may ask, in Nigeria, what is the rationale behind the issue of Nigeria police in Nigeria government compared to other security agencies in Nigeria? Why police is different in all these agencies? What has Nigeria police has done to this country that deserve this treatment? That is my question. Now we cannot imagine what is going on in Nigeria today. If anybody who knows his history and knows the history of Nigeria very well, Nigeria Police Force is the founding father of all forces in Nigeria. Ask anybody who knows the history of this country. Then today you look at Nigeria Police, how the Nigeria Police have been treated. What have they done? If it is a crime to establish Nigeria Police Force in Nigeria, then let's the government of Nigeria cancel it so that there will be no name of Nigeria Police Force any longer. You don't like somebody and you engaging him in the different kinds of field of working. At the end of the day, you deny his right. Is it fair? We are talking of Boko Haram, Ambadi, all here and there, every day by day in the northern part of Nigeria. And then we, Nigeria Police Force, serve this country for 35 years. We know, everybody know how to handle all these guns we are talking about. We that is supposed to be treated as a senior citizen in the country. Now at the end of the day, we find ourselves in the mess, have been pushing in the dustbin. Is it fair? Let Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to look into this problem and save Nigeria Police Force retirees from this predicament we are facing today. That is our appeal to him. Now you can imagine the part of Nigeria Police Force, the IG himself, the DIG and AIG have exempted themselves from rental contribution pension scheme. If it's that road, it's good for all of us to follow. Why can't they join us and we follow that road together and exempt themselves? That's the question I have. And nobody can give you that answer. What is the meaning of that?
Thank you, sir. Your name once again. Record this.
I want to say something.
I want to say something.
privilege of being here.
Okay, just hold on.
There's one thing that is vital. The process of making law and amending law
Yes.
is through the National Assembly. I can tell you authoritatively that 3 bills has been debated on. The first hearing, the second hearing, the public hearing, and the bill was sent to the president, Buhari then, to sign. He could not sign till he left. This man came, they took it to him, according to what we are told. He said this bill was not enacted at his own time, that he would not sign. What we are saying, the legal way of amending any law is through bill. But why is it that 3 bills has been sent to president of these countries before, and it's very difficult for them to sign? That is why we are not happy. Because if it were, let's say, a memo, it's a different thing. But this is a bill that has been debated upon. First hearing, second hearing, public hearing, committee hearing, and a report by the committee sent to the president for sign, and it's not signed. This is the top item. That is why we are not happy. Because if we cannot go through amendment of law through due process, which other means do you want us to? That is why we decided to come to the gate, so that the president will now hear us and address us.
Your name, sir?
ASP retired. Joe.
I'll just stand up and just keep recording for me while
Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.